Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD CAM ZFE channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to align a rotated sketch to the sketch plane and how to toggle the sketch plane and the grid lines in FreeCAD. You learn in which cases you need to use these FreeCAD sketcher tools. The View Sketch tool aligns the 3D view with the sketch. It is useful if you have changed the view orientation to examine another aspect of the model and want to return to the default sketch view. If you want to return the rotated sketch to the default sketch view, first select the Sketch and then View Sketch option from the menu. The Sketcher View section tool toggles a temporary section plane that hides any objects and parts of objects in front of the sketch plane while the sketch is in edit mode. If you want to see the sketch plane, which is covered by other parts, first select the Sketch and then View Section tool option from the menu. Sketcher Grid tool toggles the grid in the sketch currently being edited. Settings can be changed in the related menu. You have also the possibility to change the spacing between the grid lines. Press the Toggle Grid button from the menu to toggle the grid. In this simple sketch example, I will show you how to align the sketch to default sketch view, means to sketch plane. I create a simple sketch on XY plane. Now, I hide all constraints. To return this rotated sketch to the default sketch view or plane, select or click simply the View Sketch option from the menu. In the following example, you learn in which case you need to use the View Section tool in FreeCAD Sketcher. First, I create a sketch on XY plane. Hide all constraints and after that hide only the dimension. Create a solid part. Now I create a new sketch on XZ plane. As you see, the section plane and the axis are not visible. To make the section plane visible, select or click the View Section tool option from the menu. This tool hides any objects and parts of objects in front of the sketch plane. Now you can see the sketch geometry and the dimensions on the temporary section plane. Put all constraints. The sketch is full constrained. The next operation is to subtract the new part from the first model. On this sketch, you will see how to toggle the grid and how to change the spaces between the grid lines. Here you can change the spaces between the grid lines. To hide the grid, click again the grid tool. That's all for today. Please follow the other FreeCAD sketch tutorials. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.